ground and the inland waters surrounding Bloodsworth Island. Tidal Potomac from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia. Tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Westmoreland State Park, moving northeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and large hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters could easily be thrown overboard by suddenly higher wind and waves capsizing their vessel. Boats could suffer significant damage in high winds and hail. Locations impacted include Yokosuka River, Cooper Island Light, Piney Point, Deep Hole, Nanticoke River Mouth, Solomon's Island, Town Creek, Tall Timbers, Drum Point, Coles Point, Namini Bay, Fishing Bay, Pongo River, St. George Island, Point No Point, Bivalve, Richland Point Buoy, the Targus, White Point Beach, and Point Lookout. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for southern Maryland. Thunderstorm warning for Newcastle County in northern Delaware, northwestern Kent County in central Delaware, central Queen Anne's County in northeastern Maryland, north central Caroline County in eastern Maryland, Kent County in northeastern Maryland, Cecil County in northeastern Maryland, southeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:03 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Calvert to near Steffensville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size